önce araba kullanıyor muydun? Daha önce araba kullanıyor muydun?
Efendim?
Araba kullandım daha önce de.
Direkt gidiyordum.
Sinyal mi? Yavaş, biraz yavaş. Kızım,
Efendim?
sinyal versene, sağa çık. Biz nereye gidiyoruz?
Güzel.
Böyle mi gidiyor?
O zaman sen sağa çek. Gerek. Tamam, çek arabayı. Yavaş, yavaş. Kızım yavaş. Yavaş. Yavaş, yavaş.
Frene basıyor musun şu an?
Evet.
Yavaş.
Başka bir arabanız var mı?
Tamam, sıkı sıkı.
Arabamız
Tamam.
var.
Arabayı sen sağa çek. Ustam
Çalışacak
gelsene.
mı araba bilmiyorum ki.
Hayır.
Enough. Right there. Keep it steady. Right. Clutch out. Clutch out. Clutch out. You're rolling. See, you're doing good. That's a good start. Okay? Now you let the clutch all the way out. It's all the way out, right? You're not riding it. Get your foot off the clutch. Take it off. Now you're comfortable. Now when we get around this corner, I'm going to put it in second. Alright? And then, but only for a couple of seconds, and then we'll put it back in first, because we don't need to go fast. Okay? Now, put more gas, go a little bit faster, not easy with it, go a little bit faster. So go around 10, see? Around halfway to 20. See where that line is right there? Look at the next line. Okay, now pull in the clutch.
The clutch?
All the way, clutch, yeah, all the way. What are you doing? Pull it out, out. That's just the seatbelt going up. Now you're in second and you can go faster. Now, next time you pull in the clutch, put it in, I'm shifting, let it out, okay? You can let it out fast. Not real fast.
How do I stop?
Okay. Pull in the clutch, go in the first.
I'll let it out.
I'll leave the clutch out. Yep, step on the gas. Clutch. Go. You like the gas, don't you? You stop by putting your foot on the brake. Now, swing over here, and we're going to swing real wide into the door. Wide. You're swinging. You're taking a Puerto Rican right.
Stop!
Shit!